What's up everyone, welcome to the very first tutorial of learning how to develop an application inside your Android phone. So let's get started. But first of all, I'm not going to explain you the introduction and all the boring part, because I don't like to explain more depth on that, because I don't think that is more useful for you to understand about how Android was made and so on. So I'm going to skip that part and let's proceed with that. So one thing I need to mention is, if you are watching some other tutorials which is like 4 to 5 years back, do not watch that, because they are going to develop an Android application which is going to be the IDE of Eclipse, and I don't want you to watch how to make application of Android inside an Eclipse, because Google actually recommends you to download Android Studio from that website. From that Android Studio you can make an actual Android application, and it is very powerful as compared to Eclipse IDE. So let's get started and start building that. And if you are not familiar with programming and so on, what you need to do is you have to go ahead and learn some Java, so it will be much better for you to understand. Type JDK. Of course, I guess you must be having JDK inside your computer, but if not, and explain you anyway. From this JDK, go ahead from oracle.com. I'll add the link in the description of this website as well, so you can follow that one, Google as well. So from that, and Java SE standard edition, from the first one, development kit, go ahead and download that one only. Don't go for demos and samples. Go ahead and hit on accept license. I'm using 64-bit of my operating system. If you want to go ahead and check that out, go inside this PC or my computer, hit on properties. You will find out that what system type you have, 64-bit or 32-bit. If you are using 32-bit, you can x86 download that one. If you are using Mac, you don't have to download that one, because Mac is automatically going to detect that one and give you the explanation that you have to download this Java development kit. Anyways, if you are using Mac also, you download that one. Click on this one, and it is going to then ask you, do you want to save it? Of course you want to save it, and do next and so on. I'm going to skip that part, so because I trust in you, because I know you must be having the knowledge of how to install any program. So from this PC, I'm going to go ahead in my C drive inside my program files, click on Java JDK, and from here click over here and then Control C. After you copied this one, let me show you how you can copy this one. I use actually shortcut keyboard just for the screen. I did that. This PC properties, from there go to advanced system settings. Inside advanced, go inside environmental variable, comes over here, and let me just show you. This is the place I just paste it over here, and here you have to type Java _ home and then hit OK. So that will be, and create that one. I have done that previously also, but if not, create new one and type Java home and paste that link over there. So that's up for this video. I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.